I often get asked, what can I do with my leftover chicken? And my usual answer is pasta, taquito, taco. But I sleep on this right here, chicken salad. Really easy to make. I didn't have any leftover chicken, so I had to poach this. So when I poached it, I put a little bit of dried tarragon in it. So it's really simple. Took like 10-12 minutes to poach, cooled off, and now I'm ready to start. We're gonna use mayonnaise as our base. Now I made this a couple days ago, so if you wanna learn how to make some lemon mayonnaise homemade, go ahead and hit that like button and I'll show you how to do it. But anyway, store-bought will be fine. This is homemade. So I have a little bit of mayo, some whole grain mustard, which goes really well with the grapes and the apples. And I have some fresh tarragon. That's our flavoring, that's our herb. And this goes really nice with the chicken salad. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix. We're gonna add more mayo, but as far as the mixing, I like to get this started first. I'll hit it with a little bit of salt and some pepper. I just wanna get this mixed and see how much mayo I'll be using. What you want this to be is not dry, but not too mayo-y. This is a good texture. Also, you can hear it. This is also a sign of decent mayonnaise, is that sound. Now, as far as flavoring, I have a lot of colors here. The thing about chicken salad when you have it in the summer, you want to eat it, you want to, taste all the different stuff, and you also want to eat with your eyes. So I have some bell pepper here, orange, red, and yellow. Gives it a nice flavor, not the usual flavor you would get with chicken salad, but I definitely like this flavor. I also like crunch, so I have some celery. And then for the fruit, I have some apples. I like the tartness of the apples with the tarragon and the mustard. And then the sweetness comes with these grapes. Seedless grapes, this is one of the compliments I get with this salad. It's just people don't normally put grapes in it, and it's just really a nice texture and sweetness. And when you have croissants, it goes great with a croissant. This looks almost good to go, but it needs just a little bit more mayonnaise. Also, like a little chef tip, if you put this in your refrigerator and it's gonna be in there for a while, add just a little bit more mayonnaise because it's gonna dry out in the fridge. All right, this is nice. Not too much mayo, some moisture. That's it. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Nice. A little more salt. All right, ready to serve up. Now, as far as serving this, there's a couple ways you can go. If you want to go healthy, we can get some romaine, slap on the romaine, boom, little tacos, nice, crispy. If you want to put this in a little salad, you can totally do that. This right here, picked up some croissants from the local bakery. That crunch, this, booyah, nice. So we'll go ahead and fill these up. And since we have the mayonnaise, you really don't need to put anything on this croissant. There's so much butter. Local bakery does a great job with these. You can really load them up. Is that your normal chicken salad sandwich? I don't think so. I mean, look at it. It's nice. So we'll go ahead and do one more. Now, check out the crispness of this. I mean, flaky. Really, really nice. Airy. It just makes the chicken salad. I'm not saying romaine's not the way to go, but come on. Croissant? That right there is a nice sandwich. Now you might be saying to yourself, these are huge, and you're probably right. We can totally cut these in half. This could feed 4 people easily. My family, it's 2. But for most, 4 is probably the way to go. But I just wanted to show you chicken salad can be really, really nice on a summer's day. And just the freshness of it, it's something that you should definitely try. So go ahead and hit that like and start subscribing. You know, flavor is important, but it's the textures. And that's why I really like this chicken salad, because we have the crunch from the celery, the tartness from the apples, the sweetness, and that really, really nice texture from the grapes. It just goes well with everything, and just the freshness of the bell peppers, the dish just comes together. And what brings it together is the mayonnaise with the tarragon. It's just really, as far as mouthfeel, it's something that you should really try, especially with different types of bread. We're using croissants, and it's just a match made in heaven. This is the kind of chicken salad sandwich you want to do at home.